Yeah, yeah. One more popped up in a double grape cup. Shout out to them double grape genetics. Like I said, I went ahead and threw in all the rest of the beans that I had. So that's why we have a lot of new booties. Shouts out to the new booties because, hey, they came in and filled up their spots. Like, you know what? Let's just go ahead and fill up some buckets. You see what I'm saying? Whatever we get, we get. If I need to order more buckets, I can and I will. Shouts out to doing that part of the game because, like I said, we'll clear out some space, throw away some trash. I need to grow in here. I don't know what the hell you talking about. This ain't no damn storage unit. This is the headquarters right now. You know what I'm saying? We put their work in the lab with the pit of the pad, trying to keep this damn label off. A label, it's an actual LLC, so you know how we do. But yes, 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 yes. Here's the update on the indoor garden that we actually do run. So, shouts out to my haters. I would love to see what they would say about me because you dig, I show the work. It's basic math out here. One plus one equals two. If I hustle harder than you, what are you going to do? Yeah, you've already shot yourself in the foot by not hustling harder than me. Yeah, it ain't gotta be harder. It just gotta be hard like me. Shit, you dig? Your boy stay consistent corner in the building. Shout out to that 6 p.m. live schedule. You know how we do. Yeah, we got all these autos just over here in pots. Look at them just running. What you thinking about Tink Tink? They said running. uh, But yeah, we definitely slapped out on plants, which is good because I like to see them. I like to watch them go ahead and do what they do. As they say, be you and be true, right? Yeah, they definitely gonna be true. I like when they fill up that pot, right? Then they start coming up out of there, get a little level headed on them. Like, yeah, we just gonna do our thing, man. Don't worry about it. Shouts out to them autos though, because like I said, hell, we keep a lot of things popped and growing on. Shout out to Barry Miller, because like I said, we got that. What? Zoom in, camera, zoom in. Yeah, there you go. Right there. That son of Odin Seed Company. Yeah, he out here chucking auto flowers like a pollen chucker. Like a pollen chucker. Y'all know them damn cloned plants that we have, they've all got roots in them. Like I said, if you seen them the other day, go back in the last live. Just look at the lives. Don't go to the highlights or the videos. Just look at the live. You'll see them. How much they done grew since last week. They doing their thing, and they got the airline in there. Cause like I said, I started back using air again. Cause I'm not arrogant. I be telling people what I be doing, and they don't believe me. Then I'll be like, "You right. I'm gonna go back to using air pumps, and calibrate my pH nightly." Which those might actually like that because they looking kind of angry at me. Like, but they gonna do better because hell, that's what they do. Hell, they be mad one day, happy the next. Definitely about time for their next round of CalMag. They be loving that CalMag, especially when they growing vigorously. Yeah, they'll eat up the calcium for the good fast growth, and then the manganese for the nighttime production. That's what that manganese is for. It ain't manganese, but y'all know I say it's like mayo, nigga. Put it on everything. Look at them ladies though. They starting to look big. You can actually see them good. Like, oh yeah, that motherfucker's filling in and popping. This one over here, it was the little run of the bunch too. But look at it. It's already got a whole nother top that done started to fill in. So that's cool. I can already see that. And that was without even having to zoom. But yeah, they coming in nice, man. They just gonna sit there, squat, and do their thing, and then be popping up leaves on me like the hidden village of the leaf. Shout out to the hidden village because we do how we do. But y'all know to look for your boy on Saturday at 10 a.m. Then of course again on Sunday at 10 a.m. because that's when I'm usually live on the weekends. 6 p.m. Wednesdays. You know what I'm saying? It's another day in paradise.